I'm lazy and I love food. So that means I make great food in short amounts of time. Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful penne spinach cream. This penne cream spinach sauce. I don't know what this is. I always see people like making pastas with spinach and I'm like, I want to do that. So I just came up with this recipe and it's delicious and easy and fast. So let's make it together. This will make you enjoy life. So this is what you need. So the seasoning is optional. I really like seasoning the pasta with this, but the base of everything is you need chicken fillet or chicken breasts. Fillet is better. I had breasts, so I'm using breasts. Pasta, penne, or whatever you would prefer. Cooking cream and onions. Okay, so let me show you what we have here for seasoning. We have the garlic things. We have white pepper, cayenne chili powder, my favorite, and paprika powder, and then of course salt and normal good old black pepper. First thing we want to do, we want to season this baby. First things first, get your sharp knife. What? Get your knife sharp. I'm gonna show you a real quick tip that works. If your knife sucks and it's not sharp, this is what you can do. Just take a plate like this and then go like that. It leaves a mark. So the more you do this, the better. I literally just injured myself. So be careful, but the more you do it, the better it gets. And once it stops leaving that marks, that means it's sharp. Yes, yeah. First thing you want to do is pat it dry, because if it's watery and moist, you're not gonna get a crispy, nice finish, and it's just gonna be like baked in its own water. We want crispy on the outside with some color and nice taste, and then juicy on the inside. I start seasoning it with salt, and if you didn't know, salt also brings out the moisture. So after we do this, we need to again pat it dry. After salt, I go with some good old, and then garlic powder or garlic granules. I don't know how you read that, but basically it's not powder, it's just like some bigger chunks. And we do the same thing on the other side. Don't be afraid to be generous-ish with your salt. Not too much, but not too little, because it really helps season. So we're going to leave that to sink in, and while that's happening, we go in and cook our pasta. Now, this is really important. There's a reason why there are cooking instructions on pasta packages. This one says 11 minutes. I usually go 1 minute above, because sometimes if your boiling water temperature is not right enough, it can be too hard. But don't just leave your pasta cooking for ages. It becomes soft and just wrong. Al dente, that's what we want. While our water is boiling, we have some fun. Can I give you as a souvenir? Can I give you as a souvenir? Wish you were here. Look at the highlight though. Can I take your shirt to dry? The water's boiling. I take some salt. I put the salt in. This is boiling too much, so I'm just gonna calm it down. I never have exact portions. I just go by feeling. I think cooking is all about love and what feels right, and if you're a fat ass, you just know. I add some oil, because I find that it helps the non-sticking situation. 11 minutes. I'm gonna put it for 12 but no more, okay? I have a bigger pan there where I can fry my onions and my chicken. I turn on the oven for this pan. I wait till it gets hot, and while that's getting hot, and we cut our onion. So you need to move. No, don't move me, don't kill me. Oh my god, that was traumatizing even for me. You go like this. That's it. Okay, so that's that. That's fine. Oh my god, my hands are so awkward. One more time, we pat dry the chicken so there's no water, so we can get that crispy, nice finish. And then you start to cut it, and we want to cut it into even pieces. Put these here, get them out of the way. And we see how hot it is, just like bring your hand in there and you can tell how hot it is. It's not hot enough for me. I want it to get really hot. Come back here. Oh, now it's really hot. Put your oil in. Don't be afraid to use a lot of oil. That's okay. This is olive oil. And then you dump that chicken in there. Woohoo! Make sure all the chicken is coated in the oil. And then spread it out. Leave it be. Don't keep pushing it around because we want to get that color that I told you about earlier. So we're just gonna leave it. Leave it to chill. When I stir this around, that's when I'm going to add my onions. I don't want the onions to get color and be super mushy or burnt. I want them the right texture. Okay, now I can see that I have some color coming in. Now would be the good time to toss in your onions, which are here. Just add the onions. We're just gonna leave them there, and then in a few minutes, I'm gonna stir this up. 'Cause I'm a warrior, I fight for my life like a soldier. He treats me like a goddess, goddess. He thinks I'm sexy in my pajamas. Oh my god, it's done. So this is done, and what you want to do once it's done is that you want to taste one real fast. No more, no more, no more. Yeah, I'm just gonna drain this real quick. I can show you. You want that pasta to have a bite to it. If it's all mushy and it just like melts like butter in your mouth, you fucked up. Al dente, okay? Shotguns and roses. No, you're no good for me. You're no good for me. I fell in love with the table. Okay. Do we have some color? We do. Alright, so it's time to bring in the big guns. And then you add your cream. Very sexy. Okay, let me stir it up. After that comes in your spinach. Don't worry, like put a shit ton of spinach in there because the thing with spinach is that it becomes real small. I'm gonna show you. Oh my god, look at the mess I made. Holy fucking. Just make sure it reaches the heat. As you can see, it's getting smaller. So now I want to add my seasonings. Okay, let's add our seasonings. I'm gonna go in with paprika first. And like I said, it all comes to like love and feeling. and how much you feel like adding. I'm not gonna add much of the pepper. I don't want it to become hot. I just want it to have some taste. And then we have the white pepper. That is enough. A little bit of garlic, not too much. I think maybe a bit more. That's enough. And then the pepper. And then stir it up. Perfect. I taste it to see if it needs any salt, and it doesn't. That is so fucking good, oh my god. Alright, so once your pasta's looking like that and the spinach looking like that, you're good. Turn it off, and then that's when you add your Parmigiano, like Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. You can like add as much as you would like. I don't want to overpower the other taste, so I don't add too much. I just want it for some nice texture, and voila! Let's make it pretty and dig in. But first, let's clean up. I have so much left, oh my god. And there you go. Oh my god. I promise you it tastes even better than it looks. Alright, let's now eat this. I'm watching PewDiePie's gameplay on Catherine, this weird ass game, and before I get into that, let's eat together. Let's see how our food turned out. That's much better than last time that I made it. This is really good. So let's eat. I'm gonna watch this. You can watch whatever you want, and we're gonna enjoy our food. I licked the plate clean. That was nice. Now I feel so relaxed. Thank you for watching, guys. If you liked this video, subscribe, because I have a lot of lazy cooking recipes for you. Leave a like so I know you like it. It really helps me out a lot with my mental issues. Yeah, thank you for watching. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, so we get to hang out more. Thank you, love you, bye.